Oh, gummy candy. You know me too well. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing 2019. Very sorry I haven't seen you for a little while. I have been sick for the entirety of the new year, and I figured that I would just wait until I didn't sound like the chocolate grandma from SpongeBob to finally start filming videos for you guys. So today will be the first video of 2019, and I am quite excited for this one. This one's just a little bit different than the regular, you know, unboxing videos that we do every day. Not exactly every day. It has been like a week since I've uploaded. So today what we're going to be doing is opening a very large pink box. And this is no just ordinary pink box, if there are ordinary pink boxes. This is an Etsy mystery box. It was very kindly sent to me by one of you guys. This mystery box right here came from Texas Mystery Boxes on Etsy. I will link you down to her Etsy below in the description, and I have no idea what's in here, but I've had it for like a month. You know how hard it is to not open a gigantic pink box for like a month? But today is finally the day that I get to tear on into this and see what is inside. I'm very, very excited.
And here's me about to do something dumb in 3, 2, 1.
Oh my gosh! Only I could injure myself with a safety box cutter. I opened it backwards. I'm sorry, between the cold medicine and the espresso, I'm just a little bit out of it today. All right, so right on top, I have a little card here, which I will read off camera. All right, so she says this is an example of her $50 women's mystery box and that she has customized it to things that I've seen you like from your channel. Aw. She also says that her mystery boxes are customizable and range in prices and size. So I am very excited to see what is in here. Literally 0% idea. Ooh. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Oh, there's a box inside of a box. Oh, no, not the espresso. You guys, okay, so in her little card, I did see that she also makes like no-sew blankets. So she's made me a no-sew felt blanket with little sugar skulls. This is absolutely adorable and like really nice and thick. Whoa, this is awesome. Thank you, Ashley. All right, so awesome. This is off to a very fun mystery box start. Then we have another tiny box, which weighs like a lot. So first up here, I like how everything is very nicely wrapped in, you know, this. Okay, so we have another little sugar skull thing. This time it is a drawstring bag. If I ever end up going to that gym that I tried to apply for, then I could take this with my stuff in it. Alrighty, next up here we have another little package. It's more sugar skull stuff. What is this? Oh, it's a headband. All right, so this is from the brand Karma, and it's like the thing. It's like a tube for your head. Oh, it hides my big forehead. I kind of like that. Don't know if this is how you're supposed to wear this. There's probably different ways to wear it. I just like dropped the card down here. Oh, okay, so you can like wrap this around your neck, your wrist, your head. You can use it as a scrunchie. You could use it as to look like Axl Rose if you want to. Oh, this is pretty cute and very, very stretchy. Okay, these are absolutely adorable. I love like weird random socks, and I typically don't wear them in pairs. So like I have a full drawer of just individual socks, which would probably drive most people insane. But as long as they match in height, I like to wear weird pairs of socks that don't match. But these are absolutely adorable. These are actually Halloween socks, which is perfectly okay with me. I love spooky things all season long. And they have a cute little green owl on them and polka dots on the other side, and then look nice and long, which would be nice for boots. Okay, so this is like a Halloween squishy thing, but it has like, you know, where you push it and like the stuff pops out of the eye sockets, but it also has a tiny little skeleton body and a giant head. It's so strange, but I really actually like these squishy things. I always play with them at checkouts and stuff. Okie dokie, next up here, let's see what we have. Oh, it is a pin. That's really pretty actually. So it has like this huge jewel at the top, and then it's just like a little writing pin. I just started today using my 2019 like fancy looking little calendar thing, and this would make me feel super fancy writing in it. So that's probably what I'm gonna use it for. Ah, okay, yes, something that I always need, makeup removing wipes. All right, next up we have this little guy here, which is, oh, fun! Hand soap, but it's in the shape of a skull. I really like this actually. I need a new hand soap for my bathroom anyway, and this is perfectly spooky enough for it. It's scented Scary Berry. Oh, cute. Okay, so here we have another little sugar skull thing, and this is sugar skulls. They're just little sugar candies. Oh. These are really cute. And there's a little note inside. Oh my gosh, it says my name. I get really excited when like stuff is personalized with my name on it because honestly, growing up, whenever you went to like the beach and you went in those little beach shops and you went to like the magnets or one of those little things filled with like sand and a shell, nothing ever said Alexandria on it. I could always find Alexandra, but never Alexandria. So when things say Alexandria, it makes me excited. Oh, okay, so she says that these were made by another Etsy shop called Heartfelt Life, and she wanted to make sure that they got credit for these, but she did purchase them to put in this box. So that is really, really sweet. Thank you. And I also got a little thing of car coasters here. And one day when I'm not too chicken, I will have a car of my very own. But right now I'm very terrified of driving. Sorry if my voice is slowly becoming that grandma voice I was talking about. I'm still sick, I just can't seem to shake it. All right, next up we have something wrapped up with bubble wrap. That is the coolest nail polish I have ever seen. I'm the worst at nail polish, as we know, but this is just cute, like to set out. So I have a nail polish here from Black Heart Beauty, and it's in the shape of a little skull, and inside it's like hot pink with little blue, if I can remember colors, blue flecks. All right, I just did like one little coat of it. I definitely think it would need a few coats to actually be built up. It reminds me of like the 80s for some reason, or like glow in the dark mini golf. Oh, well, I just peeled off all the fingernail polish I just put on. Ooh, okay, so we have yet another one with the cool little skull bottle here. This is a really beautiful color. It's just something that I would wear like on an everyday basis. And then I think we might have one more. Whoa, okay, so this is a super pink one. It's like barely even showing up correctly in the camera because it's so hot pink, but again, another cool little skull bottle. Alright, see, next up here, let's see what we have. Oh, cute. Okay, so it's like a choker but with cloth necklace, or is it supposed to go on your hair? I'm not 100% sure, but I'm sure you could use it for different things. This box just keeps on going. Okay, next up here, let's see what we have. Haha! Candy! And these are one of my favorite candies. These are peach rings and they are so good. They're so delicious. The unboxing I did right before the new year. I got like an entire trunk of candy. Listen, no judgment, you guys. It's already half gone. I've literally already eaten half that trunk. I'm not kidding you. But I am really trying to cut back on sugar, so I'm gonna like ration these out and have like one a day. We have a perfume. I do absolutely love perfumes. It's a skull too. Oh my gosh. All right, so this is Love Tattoo from Bella Boutique, the fragrance collection. Oh, and that's really pretty. It smells very reminiscent of a perfume that I used to get from Rue 21, and I actually loved it. I had it for like years when I was in high school. It smells very close to that, but this is such a pretty little bottle. Okay, next up we have some more makeup wipes. Could literally always use these. I'm pretty much just a walking disaster when I put on makeup, so makeup wipes will always come in handy. Oh, cute! Okay, so we have another pair of Halloween socks. I'm wondering now how long I've had this box. Has it been since October? It might have been, I don't know. But these are super duper cute. Again, they are nice and long, and they have little like skull fish things on them. Very cute. All right, so next up we have more candy. Oh, gummy candy. You know me too well. I'm always down for some good gummy candy. Again, maybe I'll ration them out, or maybe I'll eat them all in one night. We'll see. And then last but not least, I'm very excited for this because it looks like it might be a mug, and I do absolutely love mugs. Ooh, it is a mug. Okay, let's see what it says on it. Oh, okay, so the mug says all I need is mascara and coffee, which is very cute and also pretty accurate. Without mascara, I look like a different person. It's not good. So this is really cute, and the entire box overall was very cute. So thank you so very much, Ashley. This was a very fun experience of an Etsy mystery unboxing. I had absolutely no idea what was going to be in here, but it was super duper fun. I think my favorite thing is the handmade blanket. That is so cute. Thank you so much for that. And yeah, this was a super fun unboxing, just a little bit different. Again, I will leave her Etsy link down below in the description if you guys want to go check it out. Alright, you guys, so that was the first video for 2019. There are going to be a lot more videos coming out this year. I'm going to try to do some different stuff. I'm going to be doing like a store update thing where I'm going to show you guys the before and after because we're doing some renovations. I'm going to be decluttering my filming room and maybe doing some like redecorating of it in my bedroom. We're going to be having some giveaways. I'm going to do a huge like makeup declutter, and we're going to donate that to some type of organization. So yeah, there should be some other videos coming up along with all of the regular unboxings. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. A huge thank you to Ashley and a huge thank you to you guys for watching this video and also sticking with me into 2019. By the way, we hit 200K on this channel, and I don't think I've fully processed it yet. It's a little bit mind-blowing to me, but just thank you guys so very much. Without you, this channel would be nothing. But I just hope you guys have an absolutely fantastic, wonderful day, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!